This is a small terrestrial mycotropic orchid. Terrestrial means it grows on the underground, like on the ground. This orchid is not unlike typical orchids. It's not occurring on trees and all. It grows in the ground. So that is terrestrial orchid. Then mycotropic means it gets all its nutrients from these underground mycorrhizae and uh, fungal entities. So it has no need to produce leaves and all that. All the whatever the work that the leaves do, that is taken care by all the nutrients what it gets from those leaves. It's getting from other plants supplying it, and this Didymoplexis pallens. It is Didymoplexis is. It also offers some kind of protection back to that mycorrhiza. So they have a symbiotic relationship between them. And this Didymoplexis provides some nutrients to those mycorrhiza, and then vice versa. That's one thing. And then the common name is it's called crystal bell. And this place what I'm covering, it is at the temple garden which we own. And this place, no cultivation has happened for about 30 years and all. And then native trees are all there, nice species like that Nandi, and then some of the Terminalia, all are there. And also this place where it is occurring is a kind of a mound, like a raised place. Probably in the ancient times there was a building here, since this temple garden was an old fort, and abandoned building structures and all are there. So that mound is there, and on this some 100 or 200 plants are growing. And it's this Didymoplexis common name is crystal bell. It's a nice name. It has a white transparent those flowers and all, so it's called crystal bell. And then it occurs in a wide range where it has survived. That is, wherever there is cultivation and people are trampling around too much and all, they die off. But in places where they have been undisturbed places like this one, they survive in good numbers. So they are there in isolated patches in South Asia, Southeast Asia, then China, and that South China, then Australia, some parts of Australia, and all. Then I don't think there's any video of this in YouTube and all. So this is what I could gather about this by searching about this rare little plant. It has a white to light yellowish or brownish or pinkish colored flowers, and they open one at a time, it seems. These flowers, they all don't open together. Some 10 to 15 flowers appear in a season. That is this month. Now it is May, just before the monsoon. And then after the flowering, it goes underground and it remains there for the rest of the year till the next monsoon. So that is the life of that orchid. And also you can see some of these fungal stuff It grows on wood and all, is so pretty and nice. This magic of these small kind of things, small plants and all, is very amazing. But you have to bend down, stoop and look at them. And you need great patience to sit and observe, and then you will see layers of new phenomenon. So beautiful. Nature at every level, whether it is macro, micro, whatever it is, at every level it's amazing. What is this? This may be the seeds of that, probably. The Didymoplexis. So what it seems to be, yeah, I think maybe the flowering is over and then this may be the seed. Then one more thing, in the same little patch of some 100 feet by 100 feet, one more rare orchid is there which I don't see now. That is that Nervalia, some Nervalia it is. It's called Padmacharini in Sanskrit. That also occurred in along with this species, these crystal bells. So they might be having some relationship. That's also a rare plant. So this is the crystal bell. Then a little bit about the place I'll show. It has some ups and downs, little bit, and then overgrown weeds are there. That much we have trimmed. There again, all these many of the invasives as well as natives are surviving. This place was cleared of the heavy weeds. So this Didymoplexis, and then also plenty of these. This one is there. This Safed Musli or Kala Musli, one of the two. It's also a ground orchid, I think. Very pretty little things. A lot of them are there. So that is a little bit about that. Crystal bell.